How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can crop a photo in GIMP or GIMP. So the first thing that I've done is to put a new file. In here, you then want to select your image size. So I'm fine with this one, so I'll just click on OK. From there, let's open up our image. So click on open, and then you simply want to locate your image on this window. And basically, once inside, it will be automatically imported onto your GIMP. Now to crop it, you can then click on this specific tool, which is the crop window. Select the layer that you want to crop, and then you could just drag and drop the image where you want to insert your crop. So in my case, I'm going to be cropping this upper torso. And then basically we have to, or we can adjust or crop manually if you have made some mistake. And if you click or if you hit on enter, it will automatically be finished. And so that's how you easily do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.